Do you really want to be long the market right now? Let me show you this. This is the German DAX index. This is the monthly chart. As you can see right now, from the last move, we have hit the 261% extension. On top of that, every time that we have a red monthly bar that tips over the green ones, you can see by history where this ends, all the single time. If you go to the Dow Jones index, you can also see here again, you have a red bar, tilts over the green one, you hit the 161% extension. Last time it happened, last time it happened, last time it happened. Every single time, the market often shows that it just takes a higher high in order to go much lower. The only exception is actually this area here. If you go to the Nasdaq, you can see that the Nasdaq has basically for the last almost 3 or 4 months, if not 5 months, been into an area of almost a sideways move. It hasn't really gone anywhere. And it hit twice the 161.8% extension from the last correction. Also, you can see that on the MACD signal, these red bars indicate that it's losing the steam or the momentum. Even if you pull up the momentum indicator, you can see that it's actually losing momentum. The S&P 500, you can also see went a little bit above the 161.8 extension, but it's also showing this red bar on the monthly chart. And as last time it did when the red bar went over the green bar, we fell down, we fell down. And finally, this is the Russell 2000, and on the Russell 2000 you can see there's a double top. So if I summarize all these charts, which shows the state of the American stock market so far, including the DAX, I would argue to say maybe it's not the time to be long right now. Thank you for watching.